Underwriting is the backbone of insurance, yet it's often slow, spreadsheet-heavy, and dependent on back-and-forth emails with brokers, missing documents, manual data entry, duplicate records, all add friction. Our digital solution flips that experience on its head, giving brokers quicker responses and underwriters more time to focus on complex risks.
You can now redefine this process by using a process reasoning engine
that orchestrates bots, APIs, LLM-powered RAG, and AI agents, whether they're built natively or sourced from a third-party system, and apply core underwriting rules to move each submission from new email to priced quote or declination, with zero swivel chair work. Let's see how. The AI agent ingests the broker's email, analyzes the intent. Once understood, it downloads all attachments, images, and even handwritten documents. It immediately checks our CRM for duplicate opportunities, and if none exist, creates a new opportunity record with the core metadata pre-filled. A submission folder structure is generated in SharePoint or S3. All subsequent emails, quote slips, supporting documents, pricing quotes, and declinations will live there for end-to-end visibility. Our agent will run an intelligent check using the data that was available in the submission and performs an initial triage analysis to determine if this broker's submission falls into any of the quick decline categories, to weed out submissions which are clearly outside the risk appetite. An LLM-powered extractor lifts every relevant field: risk, address, TIV, occupancy, prior claims, and cross-checks to ensure mandatory data was provided. We're currently informing an underwriter about the missing submission data in order to show collaboration between AI agents and humans. However, if any data is missing, the AI agent automatically emails a request for information to the broker. When a response from the broker arrives with the requested information, the workflow picks up exactly where it left off. No human babysitting.
Next, we compare the submission against your appetite grid,
including construction type, CAT zones, occupancy, and limits. Out-of-appetite submissions generate an instant, polite declination email including the reason why. For in-appetite risks, they get processed instantly. The agent drafts a concise underwriting narrative, explaining the rationale for accepting the risk, summarizing key exposures, and recommended risk engineering actions. We auto-populate the pricing sheet, exposure data, rate modifiers, loss costs, and CAT loadings. A rating microservice calculates the technical premium and target price. The CRM opportunity record is updated with the underwriting narrative and all artifacts. Email submission document, underwriting narratives, and pricing worksheets are stored in the structured submission folders. Finally, the AI agent crafts and sends an email with the quote and any risk engineering recommendations back to the broker. The result? Minutes instead of days to get a response, cleaner data for downstream analytics, and underwriters spending time on complex risk assessments instead of wasting time manually processing duplicate or out-of-appetite broker submissions. Brokers love the speed. You'll enjoy consistent, risk-appropriate, documented decisions.